Digital marketing has become a buzzword in today's tech driven world, a field that not only promises creativity but also a lucrative career path. So, how much can you actually earn in digital marketing? Well, that question is layered, much like the strategies we use to reach our audiences. Your earnings can vary significantly based on several factors: your experience, your expertise, your location, and the type of work you pursue. Let's break it down, shall we? Starting at the beginner level, if you're just diving into the world of digital marketing, you might find yourself in roles like a digital marketing assistant, a social media coordinator, or even a content creator. It's exciting, but let's be real. The pay isn't sky high just yet. You're looking at a salary range of about 2,000 to 5,000 a month if you're working full time. If you decide to freelance, expect to earn anywhere from $10 to 25 an hour. But don't let those numbers discourage you. This phase is all about building your foundational skills. Think SEO, social media management, and analytics. It's like laying the bricks for a sturdy house. The stronger your foundation, the higher you can build. Now, let's move up to the mid level professionals. If you've been in the game for a few years and have honed your skills, you can step into roles like a digital marketing specialist or a paid advertising manager. This is where things start to get interesting. Salaries can range from $5,000 to $10,000 a month, and as a freelancer, you might charge between 25 and 70 ways an hour. Here, your portfolio becomes your best friend, showcasing your successes and niche expertise can set you apart from the competition. It's all about proving that you can deliver results, and clients are willing to pay for that. As you gain experience, you might find yourself in senior level or managerial roles. This is where you're not just executing strategies, you're crafting them and leading a team. Salaries can range from $8,000 to over $20,000 a month, and if you're freelancing, expect to charge 7 piece to $150 an hour. The stakes are higher, and so are the responsibilities. You'll need to balance strategy, team management, and budget allocation. It's a thrilling challenge, but it requires a unique blend of leadership skills and technical know how. Then there are the specialized skills or niche areas. If you've carved out a niche in high demand skills like conversion rate optimization or advanced analytics, your earnings can skyrocket. Freelance projects in these areas can net you anywhere from $2,000 to over $10,000, and consulting rates can range from $100 to $300 an hour. Specialists in industries like tech or finance often command higher rates. The key here is to stay ahead of the curve, continuously learning and adapting to the ever changing landscape of digital marketing. And let's not forget the entrepreneurial ventures. If you're feeling ambitious, starting your own digital marketing agency or diving into affiliate marketing can lead to six-figure incomes. Agency owners can earn anywhere from $5,000 to $50,000 a month, while successful affiliate marketers can pull in between $1,000 and $100,000 a month. The potential is enormous, but so is the responsibility. Your success hinges on scalability and the ability to deliver consistent results for your clients. Of course, location plays a significant role in your earning potential. Salaries can vary dramatically depending on where you're based. In demand skills like PPC and email marketing can boost your earnings. But remember that freelancers may experience fluctuations in workload and income. In conclusion, the world of digital marketing offers unlimited potential. Whether you're just starting out or looking to specialize, there are countless opportunities waiting for you. The key takeaway: continuous learning and specialization are crucial. So, if you're ready to embark on this journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into boosting your digital marketing career. Thanks for watching this video.